Welcome into the video where as I said that I will show you how to make money from the app we created. So now I want to proceed showing you how to monetize the app. So this is, if you remember, this is the game we created on the app. So you open it. First of all, I will show you different method of monetizing your application or your game. So now I want to start with Unity Heart, because Unity Heart is very faster, very easy than the rest of the methods, the other monetization platform. So let me check. Let me go to the Unity. Oh yeah, okay. I think let me go. Okay, there's this one. I will also show you how to monetize with AdMob, but I actually want to start with the Unity Heart. So let me start with Unity Heart. I have some games which I've added. So this is AdMob. I'll also guide you into that. I know many of you will prepare AdMob, but AdMob I will discuss a lot about AdMob. So now I log in my account. So okay, so I have asked to verify my let me verify. Okay, so I'm asked to verify. Yes, this is the code, verification code. So I copy and I go back and I put it here, continue. So for security reasons, if you are the you have the owner of the account, so you know it's loading. So I'm going to guide you. This is, don't forget, if you're going to make sure you open the application like this, and this is hard unit. So I bring them closer so that you can see how it works, so you don't need to do much more work. So as it is, it will take you here. So if you take you here, what you're going to do is to come to project, because I've already had some games. So if you have some games, once you log in, you see your dashboard, project, product, administration, and Unity Heart. You see some other shortcut of the product here. So this is where I'm going, since I have some other games I've added. So I go to project and it will show you the list, and you see this section, it says new, so you click new. So now it's asking you for the name of the app, so you go, this is the app we want to monetize here. Yes, don't forget. Okay, let me take you back. This is the app we want to monetize. You click on it, see the name, it's here. You copy the name and you go to Unity Heart. You had the game here. So this says, will this project be primarily targeted to children? No. So you click OK. So when you click OK, you see this is the project. So here, since we want to monetize, you can see by this side it says Unity Heart Monetization. This is where you click on. So you click on and you can see enable heart. So this is where we're going to enable the heart. So you go ahead and click, and now it says I will use mediation, I will use Unity Heart. So I prepare, I will use Unity Heart. So I will use mediation now, so I will use Unity Heart, and you click continue. Okay, no, I want to start afresh. Yes, I want to start afresh. So this is now there's a question here. My app is listed on the App Store or Google Play, so my app is not live in an App Store yet. So this is the one is not live, so click create project. So now you see this is the app ID, the hard unit ID here. So you click finish. You don't need to copy it because it's going to happen here. So here we can see this is what happens. So you come to this place. This is where you can add your banner into the interstitial art unit and add reward unit. So from here you're going to perform. See, as I said, you should not copy the app ID, so it's still here, so you can copy it. You go back here, you go to add, you click on add. So from the add you see Unity add game ID, so this is where you put it. So all the ID is the same, so you can put all you want to put. Always make sure you're putting it at the right place. Unity add ID, so don't do mistake by adding it in another place. If not, add will not be showing on your app. So go back. So now this is it's asking of this is arrayed interstitial art, and this is hard to reward, and this is banner. So we start with the banner for Android, not iOS. So you click here and you go back, and this is the banner, and you put this here. Okay, so this is interstitial art. You click on the where is it here? So you click on it and you put it also here. And here is the problem with this, it doesn't have native art. Okay, so from here there's no native art, so only have 3, so don't worry. So you can put any code if you like, you leave it blank, no problem. But the most important thing is the main covered the 3 areas that is here, the 3 different types of art. So now we go to video, rewarded art. Okay, for Android now. So we had this, and after you finish you click on save. So the good thing about Unity art, you don't need to wait till 2 days. Okay, from here I will show you the results. I'm going to download the app on my phone, and I will link off to the video here to show you the real results. If I download this app now, app supposed to be showing, unless if there's any issue, but let me download and show you that soon. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to always share and subscribe. On this channel we're going to learn so many things, and always don't forget, if you're learning from us, make sure to use to follow the guidelines of all the products and rules and regulations of the site owners, like especially the AdMob. I'm going to guide you into that, because AdMob is not that simple to follow their instructions, but no problem, I'm going to guide you how it works. So thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned and